AI Code Generator. Accelerating coding for beginners. Revolutionize your coding experience with OpenAI Heroes. Understanding the power of AI in accelerating coding. The evolution of technology has brought about an era where artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing various sectors, including coding. AI's potential in optimizing and accelerating coding is immense, making it a game changer in the world of programming. AI Code, specifically, is a tool that has the potential to drastically improve the speed and efficiency of coding. One of the AI tools that is making waves in the coding world is OpenAI Heroes. It simplifies coding by providing an intuitive interface and a set of tools that make the learning process less daunting. With us, beginners can easily grasp the basics of coding, thus accelerating their learning curve and enabling them to tackle complex coding tasks more easily. OpenAI Heroes, a new era of coding for beginners. The introduction of OpenAI Heroes marks a new era for coding beginners. This tool leverages AI code to optimize and accelerate coding, making it easier for beginners to navigate the world of programming. It provides a platform where beginners can learn coding in a simplified and interactive manner. OpenAI Heroes enhances the coding experience for beginners by providing them with a tool that is both user-friendly and efficient. It uses AI to automate complex coding tasks, thus reducing the time and effort required to complete these tasks. This allows beginners to focus more on learning and understanding coding concepts rather than getting bogged down by the complexity of the tasks. Try now.